Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be discussing steps for booking a hearing test consultation, the possibility of conducting a hearing test at home, and the importance of visiting a hearing clinic. Let's begin the process of scheduling a hearing test consultation. Thanks to technological advancements, booking your appointment is now simpler than ever. At Hears App, our team of expert audiologists is ready to assist you. Visit our website to book your appointment online. Just fill out the necessary details and select a convenient date and time. Alternatively, you can contact our clinic directly to arrange your appointment. After booking, you'll typically receive a confirmation email or message with the details of your appointment. This will include the date, time, and location of your hearing test. Now, you may be curious about performing hearing tests at home. The good news is, Hears App now provides the convenience of at home hearing tests. Using the Hears app, you can conduct these tests with step by step guidance. To begin the hearing test on our app, find a quiet environment devoid of background noise and use a good pair of headphones, as these are essential for accurate results. The app will generate a series of tones at various frequencies and volumes, prompting you to signal when each sound is audible to you. This process creates an audiogram offering an overview of your hearing capabilities. The hearing test on our app takes just 2 minutes, making it quick and accessible for everyone looking to assess their hearing health efficiently. For added convenience, consider a home visit service where our skilled audiologists can conduct the test in the comfort of your own home. The options proves particularly beneficial for individuals with mobility challenges or those who prefer the convenience of conducting tests in their familiar surroundings. This brings us to our next point. Is it necessary to visit a hearing clinic? While at home hearing tests offer convenience and provide a preliminary understanding of your hearing abilities, a visit to a hearing clinic is strongly recommended for several reasons. Audiologists in a clinical setting utilize specialized equipment and techniques that are not available at home tests. They conduct pure tone audiometry in soundproof booths to eliminate external noise, ensuring precise measurement of your hearing thresholds across different frequencies. This detailed testing helps in accurately diagnosing the type and extent of hearing loss you may have. In addition to pure tone audiometry, audiologists perform speech audiometry to evaluate your ability to understand speech in various environments. This assessment is crucial for understanding how well you can differentiate between different speech sounds and can provide insights into specific challenges you may face in everyday communication. Furthermore, clinical audiologists use tympanometry to assess the function of the middle ear. This test measures the movement of the eardrum in response to changes in air pressure, helping to identify issues such as fluid in the middle ear or perforations in the eardrum that may affect your hearing. Another important diagnostic tool used in clinics is otoacoustic emissions (OAE) testing, which evaluates the health of the cochlea by measuring the sounds emitted by the inner ear in response to external stimuli. This test can provide valuable information about the integrity of your inner ear structures. A visit to the hearing clinic allows for a comprehensive evaluation by a qualified professional who can interpret the results accurately. Audiologists are trained to analyze your hearing profile in detail and can provide personalized recommendations for treatment based on your specific needs. These recommendations may include options such as hearing aids tailored to your hearing loss profile, auditory rehabilitation therapies, or referrals for further medical evaluation if underlying conditions are suspected. Whether you decide to begin with the at home hearing test or schedule an appointment at a clinic, the initial action you take towards improving your hearing health is pivotal. Early detection and intervention play a crucial role in enhancing your overall quality of life. By addressing potential hearing issues promptly, you can potentially mitigate the impact and improve your ability to communicate effectively and engage fully in daily activities. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to our Hears App channel for more health tips. Remember, early detection of hearing loss can greatly improve quality of life. Take care and stay healthy.